In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's AI video generator to create engaging content. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or just looking to add a creative touch to your projects, Canva offers an exciting feature that can remarkably simplify your video making process. To get started, you'll first want to open Canva and look towards the left side of your screen where you'll find the Apps option. Clicking on this will open up a variety of features that Canva has to offer, each designed to help you create with ease and efficiency. Within the Apps section, scroll until you find the Magic Media tool. This is the heart of Canva's AI-driven media options, making it easier than ever to bring your creative visions to life with just a few clicks. Once you've selected Magic Media, you'll notice a range of media types available. For creating video content, we're going to click on Videos. This will take you to the area where you can enter your ideas and turn them into captivating visuals. Now it's time to let your creativity flow with the video description. Think about the message or story you want to convey. Whether it's informative, entertaining, or a bit of both, type that description into the provided space. Be clear and concise while also being descriptive enough to inform and inspire the AI to generate the content you envision. After entering your video description, you can go ahead and click on the Generate Video button. This is where the magic happens. The AI will take about 1 to 2 minutes to process your input and create a video that aligns with your description. During this time, sit back and relax. You'll soon have a ready-to-use video at your disposal. Once the AI has completed generating your video, you'll see it appear on your screen. The next step is to drag the freshly made video directly onto your Canva page. This ease of integration makes it perfect for further customization if needed. You may decide to add text, overlays, or additional graphics to fine-tune your video, ensuring it perfectly captures your intended message or aesthetic. And there you have it, a straightforward method to leverage Canva's AI capabilities to create high-quality, engaging videos. This tool can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on content strategy and less on technical execution. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how simple and powerful Canva's AI video generator can be for your creative projects. Keep experimenting and let your creativity soar.